Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Site Visits and Inspection, and hopefully you are all fine. Today I came here with the new topic because contractor raised inspection request for these item description. I will tell you first of all inspection for checking the shuttering and steel work prior to concrete for the tie beam at FFL level for Villa 1. FFL means first floor level. And second number is inspection for checking the shutter and steel works prior to concrete staircase first flight of villa number 2. This is he is talking about the first flight which I have inspected I think 2 weeks before, and I make video and I deeply brief in my video. That's why this is the same, because this is the mirror villas. You can see here villa 1, villa 2. See, the slab is here, stair is here. In villa 2 same, this is mirror. That's why I think no need to brief these stair details, because I already briefed the reinforcement, shuttering and tread and riser details. But I will randomly I will tell you about this detail of stairs, don't worry. And now I will start this because I came here the framing beam inspection. I will shortly brief in the drawing and then I will go to the field. Here you can see I will start from here, B2, B6, B2. What is the detail of B2? You can see here B2 200. This is the schedule for first floor beams, okay. And B2 is the width is 200, depth is 600, and bottom reinforcement you can see 200, two numbers 20 mm, and top reinforcement additional there is nothing. Top two numbers T20 mean 20 mm, and here you can see the links mean rings 8 mm 200 center to center. And here you can see B6 is here. The width of B6 is 250 and the depth is 600. Bottom reinforcement 4 number 20 mm, and top reinforcement there is no additional, but top reinforcement 4 number 20 mm, and the links mean ring size, the ring dia is 10 mm 125 center to center 125 mm, okay. And this is B4 you can see here B4 is 250, thick depth is 600, bottom reinforcement 2 number 20 mm, there is no additional. Top reinforcement 2 number 20 mm, and 10 mm rings 200 center to center. And here you can see B6 is same B6. Here is B6 same B6. B5, what is the B5? B5 you can see here 250 width, 600 depth, 3 number T20 in bottom, and there is no additional in bottom. And top you can see 3 number T20, mean both top and bottom are same. And here links you can see 10 mm 150 center to center. Here the spacing is more than this. The spacing means the distance between two rings is 150 mm center to center, okay. And B5 is same, okay. B3 because here some AC ducting we change the beam. B7 I wrote this with red pencil, and our draftsman forget this detail 3 which is mentioned here. This I will brief you about this. And you can see here is the cast in situ slab. Here is hollow core slab, 200 mm HCS mean hollow core slab. Here is also 200 mm, and this is 4.275 mean this is the first floor slab top level, mean SSL to SSL, from ground SSL structure slab level to first floor structure slab level is 4.275. When we deduct the slab thickness, beam thickness, and bottom finishing required depth, then we will get the effective height of the floor. This is I checked on site, but here I cannot brief because you will not understand. The video will be very long, and this I don't want. That's why I am quickly talking and briefing here. Here you can see this is the hollow core slab P1. Here is P2. Here is P2, and here is P2. What is P2? P1 I will tell you. The thickness of slab is see schedule of first floor slab. Here you can see mark, this is P1, and thickness 20 means 200 mm 20 centi. Here you can see cm. And bottom reinforcement short span, this is the short span, this is the long span, okay. Bottom short span T12 125 center to center 125 mm, and long span T12 120, mean both are same. Top reinforcement T12 125, and long span short, and long span is T12 at 125 center to center. This is two-way slab. Okay, the details are same, top and bottom, main and distribution both are same. And this is P2 20 mm thickness. Okay, this is T16, because this is the ball conure, you can say this is the cantilever slab. That's why here the steel detail is a little bit more, because the dia of steel is 16 mm. And I checked on site, contractor put this 20 mm for his safety. I said okay, if it's up to you, if you are increasing the dia, we will not pay the variation. Okay, but he tell for their safety they are increasing the dia. Here is T16 at 125 C to C, T16 long span same, and short span T16 125 C to C, and long span and two-way slab. Okay, these are the details. And here is the second flight of stairs, because already I inspected this first floor, ground to mid landing. That's why the second stairways I will check today. Here yes, I didn't tell you about this, because we changed this beam B3 to B7, and B7 detail, this 3 detail is here. Here you can see in the bottom 1 2 3 4 and 5, top 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is the 20 mm steel. Okay, and here they provide the nib for HCS slab. Here is cast in situ P1, and here is hollow core T20. That's why they provide the nib here. The hollow core will rest on this beam, same like that. Here you can see detail 2. Now I will tell you the detail 2 here. What is detail 2? Detail 2, you can see here. Where is oh yes, here is detail 2, because both are same villas. That's why they cut the section here. They can cut here. Okay, we will cut here, and you can see detail 2 is here. Here you can see detail 2 beam. I will tell you B3. Here is B3 also, and I already told you B3 steel is 200 width. The width is 200, 100, 100, 200, 100, 100, 200, and B3 detail yes 200, and depth is 600. You can see here 600, and steel detail B3, where is B3? 4 T20 in bottom and 4 T20 in top. You can see 1 2 3 4 in bottom, 1 2 3 4 in bottom. Okay, and this ring B3 ring is yes 8 mm 200 center to center. This ring will be 8 mm, and spacing between two rings 200 mm center to center. Okay, and here you can see, because they cut the section, and here is P1. That's why he show there is the cast in situ and RCC slab, no hollow core slab. And here in the section see HCS, that's why he mentioned here is the hollow core slab, and it will rest on they provided the nib here, and this hollow core will rest on this beam. Okay, and these are the short details. And now I will go to the site, and I will brief you what is on the site according to the drawing. Thank you, just wait. Hi friends, welcome. I came back. Here is the site. You can see these are the framing beams, first floor in ground floor roof, you can say it, and this is the first floor level framing beam. Already shuttering has been done here, and they give proper support through jacks. These are the P1 or P2 details. I will go on top, and I will shortly brief, because the video is going so long, that's why. And this is the ground floor SSL, and the top of beam mean SSL2, the slab will come here, hollow core slab will come here. That will the top of the slab will be SSL, mean ground floor SSL to first floor SSL. They mentioned in the drawing. Okay, and these are the props to support the beams. Jacks erected, I think 90 center to center here, and these supports are enough for this cast in situ slab, and beams also supporting are okay, and the shuttering is also okay. You can see. Now I will go on top. See, this is This is second stair flight, mid landing to first floor. You can see here, I will just show you in the drawing. See, stairways slab detail 200 mm. Thick stairways means the thickness of the stairways below the steps 200 mm. And steel detail is very common. You can see T12 150 center to center longitudinal top and bottom means लंबाई के रुख जो steel है डाला गया है. They fix that steel is longitudinal steel, and width wise they provide this T12 150 centimeter traverse top and bottom. In width wise, in short span they provided 12 mm 150 center to center. This is very common detail. You can see here, I will show you. See, this is T12, this one is T12, and this one is T12. Okay, 150 center to center. And same, this is T12, bottom T12 going, means the distance between two bars 150 center to center. Here is the shuttering, that's why I cannot show you. And they provide the 8 mm steel for the steps. You can see this is for the step. And the width of tread is 30 centi, and the height of riser is 150 mm 15 centi. These are the common details. And here is I will show you. This is cast in situ slab, and the seal is ready. This is P1. I will show you in the drawing again. See, this is P1, and P1 detail is here. The thickness of the slab is 20, and bottom reinforcement short span T12 120 center to center, long span T12 125 center to center, short span in top, both are same. And this is one way slab. Why this is called one way slab? Because here is the beam, here is the beam, and there is the beam, mean all around there is beam. That's why we call this slab two-way slab. Okay, now here you can see in the bottom, this is 12 mm 125 center to center. This is the short span. The steel is going same like that. And here is also in bottom, you can see 125 center to center. And top same detail, long and short span both. And here you can see, this is the left, and B6 this is near the left. You can see here, this is B2, and B2 detail is 200. B2 detail 200 by 600. Bottom reinforcement 2 number, and top is 2 number and 150. Now I will show you. But here what is the because this is the lift and the wall is 25, that's why for the lift railing and the thing, we for the safe side we provide 4 number of top and bottom. Same B6, because the B6 is continuous, that's why B6 is continuous, that's why we provide same detail up to the this slab. And B6 detail is, see, B6 in 4 in bottom, 4 in bottom or 4 in top. That's why they provided same. Otherwise they will provide 2 here, and then now they provide full length from here to that last beam. Okay, this is and now I will go to that beam. Here you can see, this is B3, and B3 detail is given here. B3 width is 200, depth is 600, 4 number steel in bottom, 4 in top. Now I will go there. I will just show you. It's difficult to keep drawing with me and walk on the top of beams because it's risky. And this is the safety requirements is here. Here you can see in the bottom 4 number of steel. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and top same 1, 2, 3 and 4, and stirrups 150, 8 mm 150 center to center. Okay guys, and now I will go there. You know, this is, here is also the balcony, that's why they provided I will just brief the drawing. Here you can see this is P2, this is P2, and P2 detail is 200 mm, 20 centi, 20 centi is thickness of slab, and T16 125 short span, bottom steel, and long span. Mean what he is telling, long and short span. Here you can see T16 125 center to center here, and here also, mean here, and top also same, T16 125 center to center, and both X and Y axis. These are the steel details, and this is the site, and that is Villa 2. Villa 2 first flight shuttering and reinforcement is okay. I checked, but I cannot go there now, and this is the long distance, and I cannot go there. Not long distance, but I am tired now. Okay, and this is the Villa 1 which I have inspected before, and now I shortly brief on the drawing. Maybe it's difficult to cover the drawing and climb on top. Briefing is very difficult here. Okay, I hope my friends you get this video, and this is very useful for all of you. Thanks to support my channels, and like my video, share